Gyaan,
Goshthi.
Welcome to our presentation on how to calculate age between two dates, a manual approach. In this session, we'll explore the steps involved in understanding and manually calculating age. So, let's dive right in. On this slide, we have a simple scenario. The date of birth is February 15, 1990, and the date as of today is December 30, 2023. We want to determine the age as of today in terms of years, months, and days. Let's break it down with an example. The date of birth is February 15, 1990, and today's date is December 30, 2023. How do we calculate the age in terms of years, months, and days? Let's explore this step by step. Now, on this slide, we'll delve into the calculation process. Suppose today's date is December 30, 2023, and the date of birth is February 15, 1990. Starting with today's date, December 30, 2023, we subtract the date of birth, February 15, 1990. Our first step is to subtract the years to determine the age. We want to find out how many months have passed between the date of birth and today's date. Moving forward, the final step is to calculate the days. This completes our manual age calculation. By understanding these steps, you'll be able to calculate the age between any two given dates. Fantastic! Our calculated age between these two dates is 33 years, 10 months, and 15 days. Now, let's dive back into the calculation process to solidify our understanding. In this slide, we're revisiting the calculation process, reinforcing what we've learned in slide 3. Let's walk through the steps again to ensure clarity in the manual approach to calculating age. Let's do a quick recap using the example dates. Today's date is December 30, 2023, and the date of birth is February 15, 1990. By subtracting the birth date from today's date, we get 15 days, 10 months, and 33 years. These steps are fundamental to mastering age calculation manually. Now, let's explore a more convenient way to calculate age, using the Benisson Age Calculator mobile application. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store. Find the link in the description box below this video. Once you have the Benisson Age Calculator installed, entering the date of birth and today's date is simple. Just key in the required information and press the Calculate button. It's a user-friendly app designed to make age calculation a breeze. Upon pressing Calculate button, the app swiftly provides you with the age in years, months, and days. You can also explore additional details, such as months and days, or the total number of days. For more insights, press the More button. The Benisson Age Calculator goes beyond simple age calculation. It can also help you plan for future events. Discover the next 3 anniversary dates and the remaining time to the first anniversary from today's date. Navigate easily by pressing the back or home button. And there you have it. Whether you prefer the manual approach or the convenience of a mobile app, calculating age is now at your fingertips. Feel free to explore the Benisson Age Calculator and make age calculation a hassle-free experience. If you have any questions, remember to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for joining us today.
Enjoyed the video? Subscribe for more wisdom. Hit the bell icon to stay in the know. Like, comment, and share the knowledge. Let's grow together.